Hello, today I'm going to show you how to descale your Cafelffe capsule coffee making machine. This is the SKU MK606 hot and cold brew technology device. This device here is floated with water over a long time of use, of course. And if you're continuing using that device, there can be problems with the interior lines. So we have to descale it. I think it's about 400, 500 cups. If you served 500 cups, you should make a descaling process. Or if you're a heavy user, do this all 2 months, 3 months, 2 up to 3 months. Or if you're a normal user, do it in a half year or something else. How we perform this? We're going to use a descaler, decog, liquid which is on the market for coffee making machines. Then we top up the tank with fresh water and we insert the descaler into the tank. We add it into the tank. Then we are going to connect our tank, which comes now with the descaler liquid on the backside of our capsule coffee making machine. Then we enter a capsule holding system, but only if it is necessary. That means if you have a container which contains over there proper, you do not have to use such additional capsule holding device. But I'm going to use a standard cup, big cup here, and this is possible to get underneath, but I think the dimensions are not good that it will be dropped directly into it. So I will now make this or use this cup holder or K-cup holder as a dummy. Okay, we open the system here, open it, get it in position without a K-cup, without any capsule. Then we are getting this underneath and I support this with the drip tray. Okay, now we're ready for descaling. We switch on the device and then we go with this LED volume button on the left to the upper side. That means 2, 4, 6, 7 LEDs are enabled and then we start serving. Okay, maximum volume, start serving. Now the machine will pump and heat up the descaler liquid and get it through the machine. That's important to descale the machine, of course. Now the caulk will be transported out of the machine and it will clean the entire machine as well, because it flushes with hot water and it flushes the system with a descaler liquid. If the first pump interval is done, we will have a break for approximately 5 minutes. This is that the liquid can work inside your machine and it will be neutralize the calc in your machine. Let it rest for 5 minutes, approximately 5 minutes. We are going to remove at this time the reservoir and get the liquid, the descaling liquid, back into the tank, because we are going to continue this process, what I'm going to show you, 1 or 2 times. So we will have a total repeating of the descaling process of 2 or 3 times. Okay, so after the 5 minutes of chilling, of relaxing is done, we push again and we make another pump interval now completed. If this is done at the second time, as you can see now, we will repeat this. That means remove the big cup underneath, get the descale liquid back in the container, let it rest for 5 minutes, and then we perform the same thread again. So we will have 3 times of a complete flushing of the system total. And after the third flashing process, we are going to evacuate all the descaler out of the machine. This is easy. That means if the pump is ready, it's switched off automatically. We will remove the tank on the back side. We remove the tank of the back side. We remove the tank on the front side. And we are going to top up the container and clean the container with fresh water. If we have then fresh water in third again, we can get back the container underneath and we can go and bring the container on the back side with the fresh water on the machine done, and we are going to flash again. Now this is to evacuate the descaler out of the system. This is only once. You have to perform this only once because this is fresh water and the descaler should be removed out of the system right now. That should be no problem for it. And after this is done, this flushing with fresh, hot and cold, or now it's hot water, with fresh water, the descaling process is done and we can continue making delicious capsule coffee using the Cafelffe capsule coffee making machine MK606 SKU hot and cold brew technology. So easy it is to descale that machine. And after you perform this down with the flashing process, of course, we can clean the machine. We can reassemble all stuff what we have removed before, and then we can go to standard way again. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.